everybody. Happy Monday. Happy Slay. We're going to slay the day. Monday, January the 6th. This is your pre-workout Jolt. Congratulations if you're a VIP member. If you are not, please visit JNLVIP.com. And if you do one thing, share out this video so we can motivate the masses together. You know, I want to talk to you about the Transcendental rep. That one rep that you do that takes you through the plateau that maybe you've been at. That one that you hate, but you also love. See, I get you into that state where you're able to cross over that threshold of one level of strength, endurance, stamina, muscle, energy, to the next one, and pushing you and pushing you and pushing you. You're going to feel that you are birthing new muscles, stamina, and strength. That transcendental rep, that one last rep that takes you to the next one. Now, I'm not only talking physically, I'm talking mentally. So you functioning at this level of strength, stamina, endurance is your new norm. You see, I don't want to just build beautiful bodies with, lines of muscle. I want to build crazy athletes out of you that no matter what, you cannot stop growing. You cannot stop crushing your goals. Speaking of goals, who out there has their vision boards done, or their vision journal, or even something they write their goals on? A visual reminder every day that when you put this on your wall, you look at it and say, this is my future. I don't have time to look behind me. I'm going to rip that rear view mirror off of my life and stop looking at 2019 and those old chapters. You need to look physically at what your goals are, what your future is, okay? Your future self is counting on you to never give up. You know what? The journey to success is not all a bed of roses. It's not all a box of chocolates. It's going to be challenging. You're going to have to get in the grizzy gears. You have to get in the grind. You have to hustle in the muscle. You have to be willing to grow. But in order to grow, you have to experience pain. Pain is temporary, but it's a prism. And when you cross through pain, you get pride. You get pleasure because you're building that new norm. Look, I wasn't always someone that woke up with flat abs and feeling strong. I used to wake up over 200 pounds, lethargic, chronic fatigue. That brings on anxiety, depression. I felt like my feet were big cement blocks that I wanted to get up and go, but I couldn't. My body was lacking. Bring on, drinking at night and eating bad food. You really wake up feeling like you have a big ball wrapped around your ankle, just like chained, and you could not do anything. So I had to break through the chains mentally, emotionally, and actually fall in love with pain, because I know if I was pushing myself, I was getting the muscles, I was growing what I was going through, and I never gave up. That's what it's about. Consistency, being consistent. It's not going to happen overnight, but it will happen. Like I say, Rome wasn't built in a day, but it was built. And if you just stay keeping your eye on the prize, okay? So it's January the 6th. Today we're doing long, lean legs. We're going to hit inner thigh, outer thigh, our beautiful quadzillas, our hamstrings, our booty, lower back. We're going to tighten all the junk in the trunk too. It's going to be a great workout, of course, abs. Then guess what? At 2:30, I'm doing a giveaway. Please come back for this. I'm going to be giving away some books and these beautiful headphones, wireless headphones, at 2:30. I'm going to be going live on my Facebook and Instagram, and I'm taking your questions like, what is my take on keto, the vegan diet? Do I believe in intermittent fasting? What federation should I compete in if I want to do a bikini, fitness, or figure? And those even 3 different divisions. How do I publish a book in 3 months? How can I crush my goals? You guys sent in a lot of great questions. So, should I eat before my workout? Should I eat after my workout? How much protein do I need? Great questions, and I cannot wait to dive into that today. And it's going to be fun, and we're going to do a giveaway. That's at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, so come back for that. I'm going to leave you with this before we go. I don't know about you, but this is what my January looks like. We got lots of workouts. I even have a world conference. We're 10 days away, guys, for the VIP retreat. If you want an excuse to come to sunny tropical Miami and put on your bikini and do yoga with me on the beach, motivational speeches, group celebration dinners, dress up, look good, feel good, empower yourself for the year, go to JNLVIP2020.com and sign up, okay? This is going to be a life-changing retreat. You're not going to get fat and bloated on a cruise ship. You're going to get shredded, ripped, lean, mentally boosted, mind, body, and spirit. A complete wellness program. Plus, you're going to get spoiled because all of our sponsors are just throwing on the goodies. Food, beauty. It's going to be great. Plus, all the members that are coming are also bringing things to share with their sisters. So it's going to be awesome. I'm excited. All right, let's make today count. I'm going to see you at 8 a.m. in the VIP room. Let's do this. Join JNLVIP.com. I believe in you. Look at that. VIP Positive Vibe Tribe. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Look at your tribe of women you're around. Are they competing against you? Okay, are they supporting you? What kind of environment are you waking up to daily? Toxic environment, a competition, jealousy, negativity, side-eye, attitude, or loving, nurturing, supportive, understanding, evolved women that understand there's a lot of room at the top, and when you rise, I rise. The only way I rise is by lifting you up. All right, let's do this. I'll see you at 8 a.m. Boom. Love you.